Family announcements get really loud really fast. So we had to do some switching around on our itineraries. So we just spent some time at Bippity Boppity. Grayson's got hers booked. I was able to get my bourbon tasting. Literally the one of two things that all I cared about doing on this trip. And now Grayson's about to go find the Oceaneers Club.
Disney Dream, please welcome aboard the Lucky Family.
She's driving the ship. Hey Grayson, you want to go see the Oceaneers Club? No. You want to go to see the Oceaneers Club? Let's go. Let's go find it. The TV that they have is pretty cool. It's an LED screen behind a big fake TV. Andy's bed. It's a big piggy bank. Grayson, look at this. Here, you want to sign your name?
But there's something that goes there.
This one is going to be popular with the young one. We've lost our child. She'll be here all trip. So we're in the Infinity Room, as that lady just said. So this is where you get to play the Disney Infinity games. It looks like they've got to connect. Oh, look at this, Amy. Did you see the...
Hey, what's going on?
We get our own private elevator all week. Who needs all of this onboard entertainment? These kids have been entertaining themselves. Good save, Grayson.
All right, girl.
Good save. I would say we had a fairly successful castaway party. Would you say it was a good party?
Is it a good party?
Was it a good party? Was it a good party? We are headed for supper. And we are going to the Animator's Palate on deck 3 aft. We'll see you when we get there. Here we are, first dinner of the night of the trip. So we're in the Animator's Palate. I like the decor. Evidently the screens all change as you go through your meal. And the shades and the colors do too, and we can tell we're moving. Amy, we're moving. I feel it.
I remember feeling this way.
Are you uneasy?
Yes.
So show me what you like about the kids.
There's a straw holder.
Ready for them with their water, and it's topped. That's kind of cool. It's probably going to be easy to take back to the room too. A nice little touch is the Mickey chairbacks. That's cute. You notice the Mickey chairback? Of course, I'm the last one to ever notice anything, so
It's a paintbrush.
The butter knife is a paintbrush. Those of you with a G7X, does your camera automatically zoom in all the time? That's fun. So here's a quick look at the menu as of November the 11th, 2019. I'm kind of in between the pork chop and the beef tenderloin. Magic is happening.
All the human dudes, hello, human dudes.
Hello.
I said hello, human dudes. They live most righteous dudes. Dudes, check this out, dudes. We've been cruising the big old blue dudes. Our fishy family, I've heard you will all be doing the same. So dudes, what do you say? We all totally hang together, dudes. That sounds cool with you, dudes. Say cha.
Cha.
Most righteous dudes. Well, little dudes, come on down and say cha. Human dudes, I would like you all to meet Smirk.
Jiggle, 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 jiggle.
What'd you get, Amy?
Baked potato cheddar soup.
Soup? What'd you get, Nana? Black truffle pasta? It does look good. That is the salmon tartare. And then it's vacation. So I got the sliced serrano ham. Serrano ham is one of my favorite things, so I couldn't pass it up. And I think it's safe to say we cleaned both of those plates. The serrano ham's really good, nice, just a touch of smoke. Very good, very excellent. The smoked cheese that was with it was really good. But the salmon tartare, excellent, nice, fresh. I think it was a smoked salmon tartare, but it was incredibly good. I really enjoyed that. So if you order some ketchup,
Mouse.
you get Mickey Mouse.
Okay, now you can eat it.
Pop got a steak. Looks good. I got a pork chop, and that is a heavenly looking herb crusted pork chop. A little sun-dried tomato risotto. Amy got some bolognese penne. Penne? It's good food. Forgot to show you all the menu because I was ordering when it's not pirate night yet. I was ordering when you need to stop. Amy's distracting me. Forgot to show you, but I ordered a crunchy pecan cake. Sounded good. We'll try it out. This walnut cake looks pretty fantastic. Pop got some lemon icebox pie, which is his go-to favorite. Lemon icebox. That looks pretty good. How is it, Pop? It's good? To pass the lemon icebox test?
Yeah.
Good.
The whole meal.
The Pop test? No entertainment quite like. Nothing like a toddler eating a Mickey bar.
What did your bed?
We go watch a Frozen preview and we come back after supper and there's a penguin. There's a penguin. Look, and Grayson's got herself a little bed. It's your own little bed. Yeah, he did it for you. How was that chocolate? Huh? How was that chocolate?
Good.
Was it good cruise ship chocolate?
Take me.
No. In case you're wondering, it is Disney Cruise Line Ghirardelli chocolate.